Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like, comment, and share this video. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful drawstring pouch. Perfect tutorial for beginners. It is very lightweighted and easy to carry your small essentials. So let's get started. For this tutorial here I am using 2 flower granny square. I already uploaded granny square tutorial on my YouTube channel. So you can go and watch granny square tutorial. And here I am using 2 color of yarn, pink and purple. This is the perfect combination for this tutorial, and 4mm of crochet hook and also a scissors. First I take 2 granny squares and join them with each other with slip stitch. You see clearly how I join them. Here we join 3 sides and left one side open. You see clearly. Here you see we have 2 loops on hook on over like here. I will show you clearly. One is front side like here, front loop, and one is back loop. You see clearly. Next we're gonna make slip stitch only in back loop. So don't skip any part of the video for making any mistake. First I am using pink color of yarn for joining both granny squares. You see clearly. Now here I am taking the first corner of the granny square, insert your hook into the back loop like here, and repeat the same pattern on other side. Insert your hook into the just back loop. You see clearly how I take back loop. Now hold yarn like this and pull it, yarn over and pull it through the loop. Next we're gonna make chain 1 on top, yarn over and pull it through the loop. And next we're gonna make slip stitch in every chain. Just remember, you will gonna make only in back loop. Just insert your hook into the back loop of both granny squares and pull yarn twice, just like this. You see clearly, insert your hook and pull yarn twice. Insert your hook and pull yarn twice. Repeat the same pattern until you complete jointly the 4 granny squares corners and left one side open for making the upper part of the drawstring pouch. Repeat same pattern, just insert your hook into the back loop of both granny squares and pull yarn twice. Repeat the same pattern until you join the 3 corners of granny square. Here you see clearly. Now just remember, only in back loop and only make slip stitch just until you reach there. Here my 3 corners complete. You see clearly, I only make slip stitch. Now my last stitch, just grab your hook, insert your hook and pull yarn twice. You see clearly how I end this. Next we're gonna make double crochet stitch. For double crochet stitch, first we're gonna make 3 chain. Just 3 chain, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, just like this. Next we're gonna make double crochet stitch in every chain below. So just yarn over, insert your hook, just yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn. Here we see we have 3 loops on hook. Yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. You see clearly. For next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. You see clearly how I make double crochet stitch. Repeat same pattern in every chain, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Repeat the same pattern in every chain, make 1 double crochet in every chain. 2 rows we're gonna make 1 double crochet in every chain, but still remember 1 double crochet. Don't skip any part of the video for making any mistake. You see clearly how I make 1 double crochet in every chain. Repeat the same pattern until you complete this row, and in the last we're gonna make slip stitch, and then we're gonna make next row. Repeat same pattern until you complete first row. Here my first row complete with 1 double crochet in every chain. Now in the last we're gonna make slip stitch into the first double crochet. Just insert a hook and pull yarn twice. You see clearly. For the next row we're gonna make again 3 chain on top for double crochet stitch. Here my 3 chains ready. Next we're gonna make again 1 double crochet in every chain below. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. You see clearly. Just repeat the same pattern and complete this row with 1 double crochet in every chain. Still remember 1 double crochet in every chain. Don't skip any part of the video. Still remember, don't skip any part of the video. You see clearly. Here I make 1 double crochet in every chain. Still remember 1 double crochet. Complete this row with 1 double crochet in every chain. Here my second row complete with 1 double crochet in every chain. Now I make last stitch of double crochet and then slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch. Just insert your hook and pull yarn twice. Now for the last row make 1 chain on top. Next in the last row here I make single crochet. For single crochet chain 1 on top, and then we're gonna make 1 single crochet in every chain. Just insert your hook, pull the yarn. Here you see we have 2 loop on hook, yarn over and pull it twice. You see clearly how I make this. Just insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over and pull it twice. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it twice. You see clearly how I make single crochet stitch. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it twice. Repeat the same pattern and make 1 single crochet in every chain below until you complete this row. Here my third row complete with 1 single crochet in every chain. You see clearly. Now I make last stitch of single crochet and then slip stitch into the first single crochet. Just insert your hook and pull the yarn twice. Now chain 1 on top, pull the yarn over and cut it with your scissors. Just cut it the extra yarn. Now pull the leftover yarn and secure your work in the end, just like this. Pull yarn tightly. Here you see clearly we make first row with 1 double crochet, second row with 1 double crochet and third row with 1 single crochet stitch. You see clearly how I make this. Next we're gonna hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Just insert your hook and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Just like this. You see clearly in this video. Follow every step of the video. Don't skip any part of the video for making any mistake. Just like this. Hide the leftover yarn and show your work neat and clean. You see clearly how I hide the yarn. Next we're gonna make the chain. You see clearly here I am using purple color of yarn. Just hold yarn like this, insert your hook and wrap it, hold it with your thumb. Now yarn over and pull it through the loop. Here you see we have first loop. Next we're gonna insert your hook and pull it through the loop. Yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Repeat the same pattern and make total of chain. Here first I make 50 chains, you see clearly. Repeat the same pattern of making chain. Here first I make 50 chains. My 50 chains complete. Now I check it with my drawstring pouch. This is too short, then I make 10 more chains on top. Now my total chain is 60. Now pull the leftover yarn and cut it with your scissor. Now pull it and secure your work just like this. Make another one with same pattern. Here you see my another one chain. Now I will show you clearly how to insert your chain inside the drawstring pouch. Just grab your hook and pull the chain inside the stitches. Here I take 2 stitches gap, you see clearly. Follow each step and just insert your chain inside the pouch. Follow each step of the video, don't skip any part of the video for making any mistake. Repeat the same pattern until you insert the both part inside the drawstring pouch. Here you see clearly. Now join both ends with each other. Just make a knot in the end. You see clearly in this video. Here you see my crochet drawstring pouch is ready to use. Hope you enjoyed making this with me. Don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay with me. Allah Hafiz.